Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to use iCloud in App Store on iPhone. So guys, if you are using any iOS device and want to use your iCloud in your App Store, I'll help you how to do this. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, simply you have to open your App Store here, and guys click on here the option of profile icon. So guys, when you have click on this, simply you can see here the option of sign in with Apple ID. So guys, first of all you need to connect your Apple ID with App Store. So guys, how can you do this? You have to click on sign in with Apple ID and click on continue. So guys, because I have already signed in my Apple ID on my settings, so guys, after this simply you have to click on continue. And after this, now you will see that after a few seconds your Apple ID will be connected with your App Store. So guys, now you can see Apple ID signing in on my App Store. Simply you have to wait for some seconds. And guys, now you can see Apple ID has been logged in on my App Store. So guys, when you have logged in your Apple ID on App Store, then guys you can easily use your iCloud account as well on your App Store. So guys, means you can purchase any apps or games or saved your games data or apps data on iCloud as well after connecting your Apple ID. So guys, this is the video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.